this Android Studio how-to's tutorial, I will cover what clean and rebuild are and what they do. In the previous Android Studio how-to's tutorial, I covered what build dependencies are in Android and how to add them to your build.gradles file. If you haven't already viewed that tutorial, please do, because in this tutorial, I'll be adding on to what you have already learned from that video. So in order to build, clean the project and rebuild the project, you have to go to the top part over here, to the top bar, and click on build. And then you can see that we have two options to rebuild the project and clean the project. And that's essentially how you do it. But now I'm going to cover the difference between clean project and rebuild project and what they are in the first place. So when you clean your project, what it's doing is deleting all the build files that it has compiled. And your build files are found in your built in your build.gradles file when you sync the project. For example, if I were to add a new dependency like this one for the Microsoft Face API, I have to sync the project because there are new build files that it needs to add for this specific dependency, because this is a remote dependency. So when we do build and then clean project, essentially what we're doing is removing all these build files. And then when we do rebuild project, what that's doing is cleaning it, which means removing all of them, and then it also recompiles them. And that's essentially all there is to clean project and rebuild project. One removes all the build artifacts that you have specified in dependencies, and the other removes them and then rebuilds it. That's all for this Android Studio how-to's tutorial. Please subscribe to stay updated for future videos and share the channel with friends and family who would be interested in Android app development. Until then, happy developing from IG Apps.